Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by diagnosing the problem so you fix the right thing. First, inspect the glass and frame. Physical cracks or moisture change your approach. Next, reboot the phone, hold power and volume, then enter safe mode to see if an app causes the issue. Finally, run the touch test in settings or with the dialer code to map dead zones. Once you have clear results, you'll know whether this needs a software reset, a connector reseat, or a replacement screen. Now you perform the delicate middle work, reseating connections. Power off the phone and remove the SIM and back cover. Keep screws labeled. Disconnect the battery before touching anything to prevent shorts. Locate the display flex cable and gently unclip, then reseat it. This often fixes dead touch or flicker. Use a plastic pry tool and, if available, an ESD mat to protect components. Once reseated, reconnect the battery briefly to test the screen. Make sure the phone boots before full reassembly. Finish by deciding between replacement or final checks. If reseating failed and hardware is damaged, get a compatible OEM or reputable aftermarket screen and follow precise alignment, using heat to soften adhesive for even seating. After attaching the screen, test display, touch, and sensors before sealing. If problems persist, try a factory reset to exclude firmware issues or connect to an external display to isolate GPU faults. If replacement still fails, seek a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.